Hi everybody, today we are going to start talking about fact families with addition and subtraction. You probably touched on this in first grade and second grade, and so we're going to touch on it again, so it might be a little review, but that's okay. So first we're going to start talking about the parts of an addition and subtraction problem. So as you can see with addition, it is part plus part equals whole. So it's saying that 8 and 5, the two smaller numbers, the two parts, add together to make the larger number, the whole 13. So with addition, you're always doing part plus part is equal to whole. Where in a subtraction problem, you have the whole number, you always have your largest number on the left side, and you are subtracting away a part to get another part of it. So just remembering that difference, that in the addition problem, the largest number is on the right side of the equal sign. And then in the subtraction problem, you always start with your largest number. So for this part, for our fact families, we're working with 5, 9, and 4. So you're given 3 numbers, and you have to tell me the 4 different ways that they fit together. And then I have our little reminder up here about the part plus part equals whole, or whole minus part equals part. So dealing with 5, 4, and 9, I'm going to start with putting my 5 in here. Actually, I'm going to write in the box. Okay. So I'm going to start putting my 5 here and my 4 here because these are my two smallest numbers. And then they add together to get my largest number. And with these, you don't even have to really add or subtract. You're just plugging in the numbers where they go. So we have 5 plus 4 is 9. And then the other addition sentence, we are just flipping those numbers. 5 plus 4, but my 9 still stays on my equal sign because it is still my largest number. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. With my subtraction, I start with my largest number, and I go 9, and then I just choose one part. So I'll put my 5 here, and then I choose my other part, 4. And then again with subtraction, you always start with your largest number, and then you just switch the parts. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So let's go ahead and look at another one. So we have 56, 38, and 18. Again, my little reminder up here in the right corner. And let me get a darker color. Okay. So again, with addition, I'm going to choose a part. So I'm going to do 18, and then another part, 38, and then my largest number is going to be on the other side of the equal sign, so 56. So 18 plus 38 is 56. And I can go ahead and fill in my 56 down here for my other addition problem because I know my larger number, that's what it's always going to equal. And then I can just flip my 38 and my 18. And then with my subtraction, you always start with your largest number. So I know my 56 is going to be in both these first boxes. And then I just choose one part. So 56 minus 18 equals 38. And then I can flip my parts. 56 minus 38 equals 18. All right, and so we're going to do one more together. Let's try a 3-digit one. All right, so again, I can pick out my biggest number. So I have 382, and I know that's what's going to equal, or what's going to be on the right side of my equal sign for my addition problem, because that is my whole. And then my parts are 254 and 128. And then I can just flip them for addition. So 128 and 254. So then subtraction, I know I start with my largest number. So my 382. And then I put in my part. So 382 and then 254 is equal to 128. And then for this last number sentence, I can just flip those parts. So 382 minus 128 is equal to 254. So if you remember where the largest number goes, the greatest number, for addition it goes on the right side of the equal sign. For subtraction, it is the first number. If you remember where the largest number goes, the other ones can just interchange. So that's really the biggest part to remember, where the largest number goes. And then in the future, we're going to start working with missing variables. So that's just a little preview of that. But today you do have your Monday math review. There are only 9 questions. There's a time question in there, a word problem. I think there's one about money. So just try your very best. Again, this is stuff you should have learned in 2nd grade. So we're just seeing what you know right now. It's not a grade, just try your best. And then this is the other thing you're doing today under the C fact families. It says using the numbers on the fish, complete the number of fact families by typing the numbers in the boxes. The first one's done for you. So we have 77, 24, 53. And just like we did in the video, or the slides just now, we have 24 plus 53 is 77, 53 plus 24 is 77, so the largest number, and then largest number is over here for subtraction. And so for the rest of these, you just double click. It does make the border blue, but you have your cursor, so you are able to type. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those to do. Then you also have your MobyMax fact fluency, 5 minutes. Try and get to that multiplication, because we're going to start that as soon as you come back to school in person, so you can be ready for that. If there's any questions, please let me know.